Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to undo changes on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are currently using. Once you open this, go to the URL section and just simply type Google Docs. Hit the enter button, that will take you into this page. From that page, make sure to click at the first link and make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. Just ignore that or just don't click on it. Simple. And of course, once you click at a link like that, you will find this page for you. From that page, you'll be able to log in into your account by clicking at the sign in option at the top right corner. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll have to click here at sign up for free. So once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And we would like now to create a blank page, which is a empty page on Google Docs, or we can just open some of recent documents, or we can just choose some of their template right here and start working on them. Of course, those are free templates provided by Google Docs. So once you choose one of your three options right here, for me, I'm just going to open recent documents, which is actually empty. And now I'm just going to show you how to undo changes. So let's say as an example, you have like here a page full of information. So let's say those are your informations, and you actually share your document to someone who will be able to edit the document with you, and that person actually or accidentally make some changes, and you would like to undo those changes. So let's say as an example, those will be your lines, and he accidentally like deleted this line and replaced it with something like that, and maybe he actually like make a line on this one and changes the size of this one. So how can we actually undo the changes? So simply we will have two options. We have the keyboard options, which is actually clicking at Control then Z. As you can see, when I click on it, we actually go back to whatever we make. And of course there's the other option, which is just clicking at this icon right here, which is the undo. Just click on it a lot of times and you'll go back even to the initial page, which is the empty page. So unless you saved everything. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.